Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla car horn. First, ensure your vehicle is safely powered down and in service mode. You will need a few basic tools, including a trim removal tool and a 10mm socket. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient. This initial preparation is absolutely key for a successful and safe horn replacement, ensuring everything goes according to plan. Now, let's get to the horn itself. Using your trim removal tool, carefully detach the front bumper fascia. This will expose the area where the horn is mounted. Once visible, you will see the existing horn unit. Disconnect its electrical connector, then use your 10mm socket to unbolt it from its mounting bracket. This step requires a gentle but firm approach. With the old horn removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position your new horn onto the existing mounting bracket. Use the 10mm bolt to secure it firmly in place, ensuring it's stable. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new horn unit. Before reassembling, give the horn a quick test to confirm it's working perfectly. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the front bumper fascia, making sure all clips and fasteners are securely in place. Take a moment to double-check that all components you removed are properly reinstalled. Finally, exit service mode and confirm that all your vehicle's systems are fully operational. You've successfully changed your Tesla's horn.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.